Hi, I'm Andres Felipe from Colombia, and this is Scholy, a multi-agent scholarship advisor I built with Google's Agent Development Kit for the 5-day AI agent course by Kaggle and Google. So let's start. The problem: finding a scholarship is hard. The information is spread across hundreds of websites. Every program has different rules, level, languages, nationality, GPA, and the biggest problem: a scholarship you find is not always viable. Many cover only tuition, but not housing, food, or transport in another country. Students need help, not just a list of links. So that is where the agents come in. Why agents? Because this is not one simple task. It has many steps. Understand the student, search the web, filter by the rules, and give advice. A single prompt does all of this poorly. So I built a team of specialist agents. Each agent does one job well. This makes the system modular, easy to maintain, and easy to audit. So the architecture. The architecture is a sequential pipeline of 4 agents. The profile agent structures the student profile. The search agent finds real scholarships using Google search grounding. The eligibility agent filters them and scores each match with a deterministic tool, so the score is reliable, not invented. And finally, the advisor agent ranks the options and adds a financial fit analysis. The output of each agent becomes the input of the next, using shared session state. So, next, we continue with the live demo. So, this is the Scholy interface. I'll fill in a real profile. Um, like you can see, there is some field that we need to fill in order to do the search. So let's start with the academic level. We can choose between undergraduate, postgraduate, or doctorate or PhD. So let's say postgraduate. And has study area. We can say economy, IT, cybersecurity, etc. Let's say artificial intelligence. Entire country we can leave empty if we want to search in the whole world. But this time I'll say USA. In nationality, I'm Colombian, but you can say wherever you're from. So Colombian. Certified languages, I'll say English. We can put only English, but in case that we need to be more specific, we can say English B2 TOEFL. GPA we can say 4.7. That is like that is how it works in my country. And mode is like you want to do that course like in person, hybrid, or online. I'll say in person. I say I need full funding, but you can say too that you need to have extra income for living expenses. And additional note, I can say I am economist. And let's search. This process can take me 30 seconds or 60 seconds until the agents search and structure all the information. So let's see. So well, here are the results. Each scholarship has a match score, the coverage, the language, requirements, and very important, a financial fit note that tells me if the scholarship is enough to actually live there. This is what makes Scholy useful. It thinks about viability, not just the name of the scholarship. And we have the summary too that tells us the principal information that the agent assistant found when it do all the process that we needed. The other thing that we can see is the links of the scholarships. In the bottom of every scholarships, we can see the link when the model found it correctly. Like this one, Fulbright Foreign Student Program. If I do a click, it sends me to the page of the scholarship, and that is so useful too. And that's it. Thank you so much. How did I build it? The agents run on Google ADK with Gemini. The interface is a fast API backend with a lightweight, responsive web UI, and I designed it with security first. 0 API keys in the code, prompt injection guardrails in 2 layers, and full observability with or using ADK plugins. And that is all. Scholy doesn't just find scholarships, it tells students which ones they can actually win and afford. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Bye.